Here is the Coast Air box fan again. I'm about to give this away tomorrow morning and almost forgot to make an update video on this. So I sandblasted the cabinet and the guards and repainted everything. Cleaned and serviced the motor. For some reason this paint came out textured, and I don't think that it was supposed to be like that. I used like I don't remember what it was, some kind of enamel paint, and I followed all the instructions. I mean, I sandblasted it down to the bare metal and I primed it and everything, and I thought I did everything right, but it still came out with this kind of gritty texture, which I don't know. I guess I'll have to say that I did that on purpose, but it was most definitely not. Came out pretty good though, I think. I did put I put a grounded plug on it, a new cord. So then I just grounded it to the guard. Turned out okay. Not quite as good as I was hoping that it was going to turn out, but I'm out of time, so it is what it is at this point. It's a 3-speed Coast Air fan, 1970s, I presume. Here's, we'll start with the low speed. Pretty basic but well-built fan. The motor was pretty simple to clean and service. Still seems to run pretty good. I must not have messed anything up too bad. Medium speed. And those badges are as good as I could get them to come out. Spin down. Spin down's okay. Seems like it could be, should be better. I don't know. That's not bad. That's decent. That's what we're going with anyway. I am all out of time, and this is a gift for my stepdad. It was supposed to be a Father's Day gift, but I could not get it done by then. So now it's a 4th of July Father's Day gift. Coast Air McGraw Edison product, I believe. 12 or 14-inch box fan, 1970s. Pretty cool, pretty fun little project. I enjoyed it. Looks pretty good. I think the almond color with the white really goes together well with the gold badges. I think it was a darker, like a tan color originally, almost had like shade of pink to it, you know, that like peachy pink tan color that they had on these. Brighten it up a little bit with the almond, gritty almond. Looks pretty good though. I think it looks cool. Turned out pretty good. Thanks for watching.